Brian, it's YouTube videos, Brian.
What is it?
Things of interest.
You go on Custom Car Magazine this month.
Right.
My car's on front cover.
Your car, not this. What car you got?
I've got a few.
You got a few?
Have a walk down there.
I can have a walk down, can I?
Yeah.
Alright, cheers.
Tell me don't you go in there. And the blue van on there, you can't put it on this side.
Alright.
Confidential project.
Yeah. This is an awesome bit of a vehicle. He said it was 1954 Dodge engine in it. Look at that. And he's renovated that himself. He says he's ready for doing again. It's a bit like him, it's getting old. 1954 did you say? 56, it's a year younger than me.
Better Nick as well.
Hey?
Better Nick as well.
Well, I don't know about that. Has it got a dodgy knee? Alright then, thank you very much. What an awesome fella. Let's have a quick look at these vehicles he's got around the back, shall we? Don't look like it's got a very good turning circle on it. A very clunky gearbox. Right, let's go and have a look, see what he's got around the back. Very nice of him. Wish more people were like that. Oh wow. Oh, Struth, look at that. Don't ask me what it is, I ain't got a clue. I just do not have a clue, but that is an awesome motor car. Oh, look at it inside. It's beautiful. Look at that hood ornament. I'm not into American cars. Is that a Chevy? Is that a Chevrolet badge? I don't know. Let me put my glasses on, I might be able to see. That is awesome. Beautiful. Right, let's have a look what else he's got down here. Look at that. That colour is stunning. It really is nice. That hood ornament again. They're into aeroplanes, these. Oh, big bench seat in the front. Sit three in the front. Look at that size of that steering wheel. That is absolutely beautiful. And then over here, got an orange. I don't know what this one is. This one looks like it's in the process of being done. Is it another Chevy? I don't know. I haven't got a clue what they are. Yeah, that's a Chevy Bel Air. What's this one? Oh, this is another Bel Air. It's got some damage on it. A couple of windows smashed. Nice big bench seats in the front. It's not got a massive steering wheel like the other one. Oh, back windows smashed. Yeah, it's in need of a bit of work on this one. This must be a project that he's doing at the moment. Oh, look at that, smashed bloody windows. They are awesome. Look at the big thick alley wheels. Right, that'll about do it for in here. That'll about do it for in here. I really enjoyed looking at those. They are stunning vehicles. There's one in here I can't show you, unfortunately. But yes, very, very nice. Very nice indeed. Must be a pleasure to own them. Right, let's move on. If you've enjoyed this video, oh, there's a nice young lady here. Hiya, love.
Hello, you're right.
I'm absolutely fantastic.
Good. I'm intrigued as to what you're up to.
I do YouTube videos.
All right.
Mostly about industries, lorries and cranes. That's what I saw his pickup going out, and it was like, wow.
Right.
You know, and then he said, come down and have a look at your other vehicles. But they are awesome. But he says I haven't got to video one of them.
No.
So I've got little bits on, but I can
Edit it.
yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, are they all Chevrolets?
That one, and that one are.
Yeah, what's the one in the corner? Is that a new acquisition?
Well, it's customers. It's just been damaged. It's come for repair.
Oh,
No.
God, who's damaged that?
My son.
His son.
Bit of a family drama going on.
Family drama. I'd make sure he didn't have any grandkids. Not of him anyway. If he'd done that to my car.
Yeah.
So is this a business for him? Is it a hobby?
Both.
Both?
Yeah. It's his body shop.
Yeah.
We're
I
at
take it.
Walkley
I
at the
take it.
moment.
Are you related?
I'm his daughter.
Yeah. Oh, it's your dad, is he? Yeah. Nice fella.
Yeah. We're at Walkley at the moment.
Right.
But we needed to move, so we got this place at the beginning of the year. So
Temporary.
No, we've got this. We're going to move here permanently.
All right. Okay.
But we've got no gas meter, so we can't move at the moment.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
All right. That black one there is absolutely stunning, and the size of the steering wheel on that is crazy.
Yeah.
I bet you'll love driving them, don't you?
Yeah. Well, that's ours. That's mine and my husband's. That one.
What, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I bet it doesn't do many miles, though, does it?
No,
I thought
not enough.
I thought I'd done well. I got a Mark 1 TT.
Yeah.
It could do with some work on it, actually. It needs a new hood on it. Do you know a man that can do it for me?
Might do.
No, I'm serious.
Yeah.
It needs a new soft top on it.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we can bring it down. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. No problem.
Yeah. Back winter fell out.
Did it?
Yeah. Well, it's 20-year-old. But it definitely needs
So,
doing.
what's your YouTube channel then?
pjaudits.
Right.
Yeah.
Have a look for you.
Yeah. I've just been to a cement place across the road. He weren't very happy.
All right.
And then I've just been to Hardcore place, you know.
Yeah.
They were thrilled.
Yeah.
You know, I got to some places, they're really pleased to see me, and then he's slagging me off saying I've done this and that and other.
Oh, what, down at Right Mix?
Yeah.
Saying you've done what?
Something to do with HSE and some steel foundry or something or other.
All right.
Yeah, no. I mean, I just go along and video, and if people come out and they're nice to me,
Yeah.
I record them, and if they come out and they're horrible to me, I record them. Do you know what I mean?
Right.
And then I put them on
You're
YouTube.
not recording me, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Well, you're a nice person.
No, please don't put that on YouTube. No.
But, yeah, you know, if they come out and they're nice,
Yeah.
then great. And if they come out and they're horrible, then they still go on, you know. Anyway, I can't thank you enough. Been absolutely wonderful. Have you got a card?
Do you know what?
So what a couple of wonderful people. It's going to have a look at my TT for me, because the roof needs repairing, and hopefully you'll be able to get it done for me. Anyway, if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up as usual. Please share, please subscribe, and I will see you, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.